Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to download Capybara Go mod APK file for free. Just know that downloading modded APK files from unofficial sources can pose risks to your device, such as malware or data breaches. It may also violate the game developer's terms of service, so proceed at your own discretion. Firstly, use your browser to search for Capybara Go mod APK. When you do that, you'll find the Happy Mod website. Just go to the website and download the modded APK file of Capybara Go. Now, after the file is downloaded, enable unknown sources for your device, download it and install the APK file, and you can launch the game. Always use antivirus and avoid entering sensitive information into modded apps, and if you experience issues, you'll uninstall the app and reinstall the official version from a trusted app store. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.